Hey everybody, we're down here at the Buffalo Bayou Trail at the Sabine Street Bridge, and we're going to be heading over to the Canoe launch and areas like that. Let's go! It's a little late, but number one, it's not nearly as hot right now, and number two, I think it looks better on film here. To have the golden hour sunsets, it looks like this trail network is growing. Buffalo Bayou East. Well, let's take a look at it here. Still a nice view of the skyline there. Looks like he's laying down some tracks or something like that. Right here on the bridge. Very interesting. And it looks like the moon went behind the buildings maybe? I don't know. You never know what that thing's gonna do, right? Sabine Promenade is down this way. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Canoe launch, hobby center, Bayou Place, theater district, downtown this way. Although we saw downtown was right there, this is more downtown. It's downer or downtowner, whichever way you want to call it. The lights are definitely on now in the buildings. And post Houston, where I did a video, actually last week, that's when I posted it, I believe. And this is Interstate 45, these little torches here. And here's the canoe launch right there. But the hobby center, Bayou Place, theater district, and downtown are still farther down. And it does show it is accessible to wheelchaired vehicles. Oh, that's cool. That's like Astros colors on it. There's the guy with the soccer ball on his back again. Just think what this would have looked like before Interstate 45 came to be. Kind of a peaceful, serene area you come to in downtown Houston. Back in the days of Sam Houston and people like that. This is such a nice view right here. Interstate 45 South. Very cool. Got to watch out for those things down here. Another e-scooter over there. What a contrast. There's a light rail. I believe that's the red line. Here's Walker Street. Sky looks really cool right there. You can see through there. Let's see, another sign, kind of worn down. Hobby Center, Bayou Place, Sesquicentennial Park. That goes up there. Kind of the end of the sun there, or sundown. And there's a bunch of stairs going up over there, but this side's a lot higher, so I guess you just have to use a grappling hook or something like that. There's the Ferris wheel for the downtown aquarium. Oh, there's a rabbit. He's running away. And here's some people. Looks like they're e-scootering or e-bikering. Not sure which yet, but it kind of looks like scooters. And I was right on both counts, one of each. I don't have to be right all the time, but it's nice sometimes, right? Another e-bike. You can see the tops of the buildings over here. And there's the aquarium proper right over here. And the Ferris wheel again. Little plaza area here. And I can see why people would want to hang out around this area. A little rotunda type thing up here. This is the theater district. A lot of bugs there under the lights. There's some cool stuff up here with the lights on it. It looks like it's generally well lit down here, except for certain sections that we've gone through there. And there's Post Houston right across the way. I know it anywhere because of that light that changes colors on the white building over there. This is another like plaza area here. Sesquicentennial Park, Houston, 1836 to 1986. Talking about 1970s, different decades, 1980s. Kind of spooky down here, actually. This is the theater district, Louisiana Street. Oh my goodness. Let's take a walk over here to Market Square Park. There's Market Square Tower, which is residential. Very festive colors over here. This is Preston Street. And something a lot of people don't know, but if you continue going down Preston Street, it turns into Memorial Highway, which is an easy way to get out of downtown without any problems. I think we're good. And right over here is Market Square Park. And if anybody notices the vibe around here, or if anybody remembers, here's Bravo. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my videos. It's actually called Downtown Houston Architecture Night Walk, I believe. Stein cigars right here on the ground. E.W. Groove, 1928. Here's a dog park. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. Let's head on over this way. I guess that's supposed to be the small park. Small dogs, and this is the big dog park, maybe? Oh no. Vice versa. For some reason, the small dogs get the bigger park. I can't figure out why. Good question, huh? Here is Sapporo Sushi and Bar. I've eaten there a few times. It's very good if you like sushi. And then right over here, actually, there's a nice waterfall, but it's not real. Petite Lucy, it's like a coffee bar. Hey, horse and buggy, cool. And a bus. I think they're gonna go before we are. Isn't that cool? There's the clock tower here. in Market Square. Another look at Market Square Park right there across the street. Caddy corner. Well, thanks for joining me on this walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.